He won disproportionate success in science and Nobel Prizes. Despite making up only 0.2% of the global population, Jewish individuals have earned over 22% of all Nobel Prizes. This staggering achievement, particularly in physics, chemistry, and medicine, is widely seen as a reflection of a deep-rooted cultural emphasis on critical thinking and educational discipline. 2. Pioneers of ancient literacy at a time when most civilizations relied on oral traditions. As early as the 1st century CE, Jewish communities established a mandatory education system for children to ensure they could read religious texts. This early commitment to learning transformed them into one of history's first truly knowledge-based societies. 3. Tikkun Olam. The philosophy of repairing the world, one of the most profound concepts in Jewish thought, is Tikkun Olam. It places a direct responsibility on the individual to repair the world. This belief transcends personal worship, framing social justice, environmental protection, and helping those in need as a fundamental moral duty. 4. Medical visionaries serving humanity. Jewish scientists have been pivotal in the evolution of modern medicine. A prime example is Jonas Salk, who developed the polio vaccine but famously refused to patent it. By choosing human health over billions in potential profit, his service-oriented vision fundamentally reshaped medical history. 5. Agricultural innovation, making the desert bloom. Even in some of the most water-scarce regions on Earth, Jewish ingenuity has created agricultural miracles. Technologies like drip irrigation and advanced desalination, now used globally, stand as a testament to their engineering contribution to a world facing climate and water challenges. 6. Millennia of cultural resilience. Throughout history, despite being forced into a global diaspora, Jewish people have managed to preserve their language, traditions, and identity for over 3,000 years. This sociological endurance is considered one of history's greatest examples of cultural survival and continuity. 7. Architects of modern cinema and entertainment. The foundations of Hollywood were largely built by Jewish immigrants who founded legendary studios like Warner Brothers, Paramount, MGM, and Universal. Their passion for storytelling and visual arts has been the primary force in shaping today's global pop culture and the language of modern cinema.